warning for southeastern Grant Parish in north-central Louisiana, southern Waxhaw Parish in north-central Louisiana, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Timber Trail, or 8 miles north of Alexandria International Airport, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gina, Midway, Pollock, Nebo, Rogers, Catahoula Lake, Fishville, and Bentley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.